What it do? It's your boy Manny Fresh coming in with another video. And today is the first vid as a 25-year-old. Your boy turned 25 last week. Had fun, enjoyed it, but it's time to get back to business. Y'all know the vibes. And today we got an unboxing straight out of Adidas. Adidas been, I'm gonna tell you in a sec when I show y'all the box. Straight out of Adidas. I finessed, let me get the handy dandy scissor. Scissor. Let me get the box. You can't do unboxing without the box. Here you go. I get it, this box is a little messed up. I don't know what it is, the second pair of Adidas that I get that's a little messed up. But before I get to unboxing, I'm selling a couple kicks. I have to downsize a little bit, get that money, you know the vibe. Hit me up and I'll send y'all pictures of the shoes, and then, bro, all prices are negotiable. Y'all know me. For the right price, I'll let them go. But let's get straight to the unboxing. Straight out of Adidas. But low-key been type slow. The copping, there hasn't been much worth copping though. As we get the box, y'all know the vibes. As I said, the box. Look at the box, bro. All messed up. So with these, I woke up at 10 and I tried it. I was like, yeah, let me try. Get myself a nice pair of, 350s for my birthday. And then at 10:30 I said, man, forget it. I turned off everything. Went to go eat breakfast. Came back at like 11:30. I said, I'm not doing that. Let me turn on the computer. Get on Adidas. And while I was waiting, I go look. Next thing I know, I can pick a size, check out, bada bing, bada boom, and we got it here. Y'all should know what they are. We have gotten a lot of 350s already. It's time to move on. But I didn't cop the static grays, and these remind me so much of the static grays. I can't even open the box. How bad it is. So I got the Yeezy 350 V2 London. I don't know why it's called London Mark instead of Landmark, but it is what it is. Y'all see it. See a little bit of static. Then you got that cream color as the stripe. Other than that, let me know if y'all trying to see a review. These you could get like $10, $20 above retail as resale. Maybe these are like the statics and the price goes up. If not, if the price don't go up, I'm most likely keeping them. Add another Yeezy to the collection. But I am getting rid of shoes. Let me know if I should make a vid just showcasing all the shoes, or y'all gonna hit me up. Y'all let me know the vibe. But y'all saw it here. Hit that like button, subscribe. Follow your boy on Instagram, bro. I be popping. My IG pics are popping. Follow me on Twitter. Usually talking up sports, chopping it up. Y'all know the Nets made a big move. I ain't a Nets fan. Shout out to them getting Kyrie. I called it from the beginning of the season that Kyrie was not going to the Knicks, that the Knicks were not going to get nobody. I called it myself. But shout out to LA. The LA Lakers with AD, LeBron, Danny Green, Cook, DeMarcus Cousins. Don't sleep on that pickup. Y'all know we still got one roster spot open. Maybe it's for my boy Melo. But other than that, hope y'all have a good and blessed day. Other than that, Manny Fresh. Ow!